everybody. As you probably are aware, I've been working on my windshield for some time now. Most of it has to do with my comfort at high speed, highway speeds and high speed. But more importantly, it's to deal with wind chatter in this helmet. This is my favorite helmet. I have one that's streamlined, but this is my clamshell. This is my stereo helmet. It's the one that I use for my tunes. It's really great. Now, I've created a series of fins up here on the top of the windshield. They do smooth out the wind quite a bit when I'm riding standing up at very high speeds. I can tuck behind these fins and they're really wonderful. But this center fin, well, it does absolutely nothing. So, something I was talking about a while ago is make sure that you can reverse whatever changes you do. Well, I'm just going to peel a couple layers of tape off of there a little later on, and actually I can do that right now. Look at that. I found it. I got all the layers. So I can fix it later. Great. Okay, now I'm down to the foam. I just have to be real careful not to take too much of the foam with me. And guess what? I can straighten out that piece and I can put that right back down there. Ha 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 ha. Great. Okay, repaired. So, nothing ever goes exactly as planned, but that's not half bad. Now, about what's going on here. The middle fin, worthless. That's gone. Now, clamshell helmet. There are several parts of the helmet that generate a lot of noise. One of the areas is here, but you can also get a lot of noise up here at the pod. So keep that in mind. The pod is a very bad area for wind noise. But this is going to blow your mind. This little strip right here, where I'm pointing right now, the green, that little strip is the single worst spot on the helmet. Now, where exactly is that? That's at the bottom of where the clamshell opens. So let me see if I can show you that. So the clamshell's open now, and that's right there. So here's my microphone, and that's right by the microphone. So, how do you solve these problems? Well, you can see that I've got putty everywhere. I ride with little blobs of putty on my handlebars, and when I feel a noise, I stick the putty in there, and that really resolves a lot of issues. But today, I got it down to one last really bad spot, which is right there. So, a little bit more putty, and everything is fixed. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.